Thank you.
Next question, sir. Do you have any idea when the local travel restrictions will be relaxed?
So I'm going to make an assumption with that the local travel restrictions are the definition of a local area. I get the question about once a week, and that's absolutely just fine. So the historical background on the local area is that the DepSecDef memo that issued in March said military members may take leave in the local area, and Edwards didn't have one because the AFI is very holistic in defining local area for leave purposes, but not the one the DepSecDef directed us to have in a COVID environment. And therefore, I penned, with the advice and counsel of the legal team, public health, and local commanders and mission partners, a local area for us. So that's the history on why we have that local area. And I think the real answer to your question is not a timeline-based, but really a restriction-based. So when the DepSecDef guidance expires or alters, or there's a significant reduction across the local community, meaning all of Southern California and potentially even Southern Nevada, at that point, those are the two conditions I'm looking for before we have the opportunity to just rescind that local area restriction. As I drew that red map, I actually anticipated that by now I would have had to restrict it even further based on density of cases or the risk to military personnel, and then by extrapolation civilians and then families as well. But thankfully, the trend lines have been not as dire as they were nominally supposed to be. So that's a good thing. Again, I think the answer to the local area restriction going away will be the higher headquarters policy that was DepSecDef level being rescinded, restricted, or amended significantly as probably the major thing that needs to shift before I have the ability to open up that aperture further. I hope that gets to the question. If not, please ask it again, and I'll clarify as required. Chief?
Yes.